Some of the tools you need for scrapping. Got the cutters, salmon knife, hammer, so magnets are a definite. Make sure you check your metals. Screwdrivers, socket sets, or chisels come in handy. These smaller socket sets with all different ends, different star keys, they come in handy. And better weighing scales. If you're spending time stripping this, don't get a weight. Don't strip off a kilo and get a weight at the scrapyard. Make sure you weigh it, you know what you're getting. I've actually got a vice on my bench, but you can get these sort of vices that clip to your bench as well. So, I hope you enjoyed watching. Like and subscribe below, and see you again.